numericals on the PN junction diode. There are the numericals on PN junction diode. Numericals on PN junction diode. First numerical, an ideal germanium PN junction diode, an ideal PN junction diode has a temperature of 12.5 degrees centigrade, a reverse saturation current of 30 microampere at a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade, 125 degrees centigrade, a reverse saturation current of 30 microampere. Find dynamic resistance for a 0.22 volts bias in first is forward bias, second is reverse bias. एक आइडियल पीएन जंक्शन डायोड है, आइडियल जर्मेनियम पीएन जंक्शन डायोड दिया हुआ है, हैज ए टेम्परेचर ऑफ 125 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. द रिवर्स सैचुरेशन करंट थ्रू द डायोड इज 30 माइक्रोएम्पियर. फाइंड द डायनामिक इम्पीडेंस ऑफ द डायोड when the supply voltage is on 2 volts in forward bias and reverse bias. So the formula for forward resistance RF is equal to eta Vt upon I0 e to the power q V upon eta Vt. जनरल फॉर्मूला करंट का क्या होता है, I इक्वल टू I0 e टू द पावर QV eta kT माइनस 1 और Vt क्या होता है, Vt इज इक्वल टू T अपॉन Q इंटू kT अपॉन Vt is equal to kT upon Q. Solving this T upon 11,600 आता है Vt. And if differentiate this dV by dt and take the inverse, then the value of resistance becomes dV by di. This is dV by di. We can calculate with the help of this equation. Vt का value ये होता है, K is the Boltzmann constant, Q is the charge on one electron. And after substituting these two values, Vt temperature dependent voltage is T upon 11,600. So this is the general formula for forward bias resistance. As a germanium diode, तो eta का value 1 होगा. The value of the eta is 1. The diode is a germanium diode. The nature of the diode is type of the diode is germanium diode. So eta is equal to 1 and temperature capital T is equal to T plus 273. T plus 273. T is 125. 273. This 3 98 degree Kelvin. So Vt is equal to, from here, T is 398 upon 11,600, and this value comes as 0.256 something value. And now substituting this value here, Rf is equal to eta is 1, Vt is 398 by 11,600 upon, here supply voltage is 0.22 volts, and I0 is also given. I0 is equal to 3 into 30 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. This is given in microampere. So convert this microampere in ampere. That is multiplying by 10 to the power minus 6. So 30 into 10 to the power minus 6. Substituting value here. V is 0.22. V is 0.22. Eta is 1. And Vt is 398 upon 11,600. After solving this whole value, the value of the forward resistance comes as 188 ohm. यदि इसको हम solve करेंगे with the help of calculator, by the calculator you will calculate the value. The answer will be 1.88. Forward biasing के लिए, for forward biasing, the value of the forward resistance is 1.88. And when you are considering the reverse bias, then V is equal to minus 0.22 volt. Take the value of V minus, negative value. If the opposite polarity voltage allowed from the PN junction, that time the voltage becomes negative. So now RR, reverse bias resistance, eta is 1, Vt is same value, 398 by 11,600 divided by I0 is 30 into 10 to the power minus 6 value, and value of E is minus 0.22 upon 398 by 11,600. So after calculating, this value is 6.699 0.6966 into 10 to the power 6 ohm, or 0.6966 mega ohm. This is in mega ohm when reverse bias. So reverse bias resistance is 0.6 mega ohm, or approximately 0.7 mega ohm. So we calculate the value of the diode forward resistance when the data are given. You know the formula. This is formula for forward bias resistance, and the same formula, but take here G value negative because the reverse bias is allowed. Reverse bias हमने apply किया, इसलिए भी minus लेंगे यहाँ पे, and by calculating this value, the reverse bias resistance is 0.69 mega ohm. Now the next problem. Next is, two diodes are connected in opposition, and you have to design the values of the voltages across diodes. Two silicon diodes. The diodes are of second problem. Two diodes. Silicon diode. Two silicon diodes are connected. PN junction diode are connected in series. Opposition. Series में opposite connected है. Series opposition. 5 volt battery is imposed is impressed upon this series combination, upon this series combination. 5-volt battery is impressed on this series opposition combination of two silicon diodes. Find out the voltage across each diode at room temperature. You have to find the value of the voltage at room temperature of the diodes. Now, the combination of the two diodes is of this type. Two diodes are connected in opposition, and a 5-volt battery is connected across this combination. Diode D1, this is diode D2. This is 5-volt battery, and voltage across V1 is V1, across D2 is V2. As the positive terminal of this battery is connected to the P side of the diode D1, so this diode becomes forward bias, behave just like a switch on. But negative terminal of the battery connect here to the N side of the second diode, so second diode is under reverse bias condition. So the current flows in this circuit is equal to I0. I0 is the reverse saturation current. As much current the diode D2 allows, only that current can flow in this circuit. Diode D1 is forward bias, this is switch on, but जितना करंट D2 अलाउ करेगा that much current will flow in this circuit. और ये कितना करंट अलाउ करेगा? only I0, रिवर्स सैचुरेशन करंट, रिवर्स वाइज में जितना कोई डायोड कर सकता है, इज इक्वल टू 5. इन दोनों के बैटरी के वोल्टेज का सम होगा 5 वोल्ट, एंड दिस करंट इज इक्वल टू, करंट इन दिस सर्किट इज I0 e की पावर V अपॉन ईटा Vt minus 1 is equal to 5. Assume the room temperature, any value, room temperature, यहाँ पर ले रहे हैं हम 27 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, तो T is equal to 27 plus 273 is equal to 300 डिग्री केल्विन. So Vt is equal to T upon 11,600, 300 by 11,600. This is the value of Vt, and this comes as 0.0258 volts. And when diode D2 is conducting, or the voltage across the diode D1 is, this current first flows from this diode D1. So current through this diode is I0, because two diodes are in series. So we take here I0 cancel, V को क्या ले लेंगे? V1, एंड सिलिकॉन डायोड है तो ईटा इज इक्वल टू 2 फॉर सिलिकॉन डायोड. सिलिकॉन डायोड के लिए द वैल्यू ऑफ ईटा इज 2. नाउ वी आर कंसीडरिंग दिस डायोड, इसके क्रॉस फॉरवर्ड करंट कितना होगा? जितना करंट ये अलाउ करेगा, ये कितना अलाउ करेगा? I0. दैट करंट विल फ्लो इन द फॉरवर्ड बायस ऑफ ईटा. This is the forward bias resistance. Eta is 2, and we calculate Vt 0.0258 minus 1 is equal to 1. E to the power V1 into 0.0258 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So taking log of both the sides, दोनों भी साइड में log ले लेंगे यदि, then taking the log, natural E base log V1 upon 2 into 0.0258 is equal to log E base 2. So V1 upon 2 into 0.0258 is equal to log E to the base 2. So V1 is equal to 2 into 0.0258 log E to the base 2. After solving, this value comes as 0.0358. 0.0358 volts. And substituting this value in equation 1, you will get the value of the voltage across the second diode V2 is equal to 5. So V2 is equal to 5 minus 0.0358. Subtracting this value comes as 4.9642 volts. This is the voltage across the second diode which is under reverse bias condition. So we calculate the value of the voltage across the diode D1 considering it forward bias. Actually it is in forward bias because 5 volt positive terminal is connected to D1. So this diode goes in the reverse forward bias condition and negative terminal of the battery is connected to the P side of the diode D2. So diode D2 is under reverse bias condition and this diode, second diode allows the only current equal to the reverse saturation current in the circuit and this current flows through D1 और ये कितना वोल्टेज देगा था D1 V1 and as this diode is silicon diode so eta is 2 and we calculate the VT considering the room temperature 27 degree so T capital T in degree Kelvin is 300 by 11,600 is equal to 0.0258. Substituting these values, taking the log, natural log, V1 comes as 0.058 volts. And if you substitute this value in the equation first, you will get the voltage, reverse bias voltage across the second diode D2. So this is the value of the voltage drop across the diode D2. Next problem came in the exam. In GATE exam also for 1 or 2 marks, conceptual problem, very important, also came in university exams. So this is in the question number 3rd, the current voltage characteristic. Current voltage characteristic of PN junction diode is given by the relation I is equal to I0 e to the power qb eta kT minus 1. The diode current 0.5 milliampere at V is equal to 300 millivolts and 15 milliampere at V is equal to 440 millivolt. Determine eta, constant eta. Assume kT upon Q is equal to 25 millivolt. Also give the type of diode. With the help of eta, we can judge the value of type of diode. If eta is 1, diode is germanium. If eta is 2, diode type is silicon. So we should calculate the value of eta and you have to also find the value of eta in this problem. Given is I is equal to I0, given data qb upon eta kT minus 1. You can write this as I0 e to the power v upon eta vt minus 1 and vt is equal to kT upon Q, this also given 25 millivolt 10 to the power minus 3 volt. And I1 in the first case is 0.5 milliampere 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to I01. I0, as the value of this portion is very large, so we can, I0 is very small value in microampere, so we can neglect 1. The formula now becomes I0 e की पावर QV eta KT, और इसी को हम लिख सकते हैं I0 e की पावर V upon eta VT. This is the now standard formula. If you multiply this with value of the I0 e to the power V upon eta VT, this value is very large value compared to minus I0. So neglecting minus 0, now the formula becomes of this type. So first value of the current is this I0 e to the power V1 is 300 into 10 to the power minus 3. We calculate eta, Vt is 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is the equation number 1. And second equation is equal to, the current is 15 milliampere, 15 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to I0 e to the power, voltage is 440, 10 to the power minus 3, eta into 25 into 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 3 cancel out, here also cancel. And this is equation number 2. Now, equation 2 divided by equation 1. Second equation को first equation से divide कर देंगे. Dividing the equation second by second first. 15 into 10 to the power minus 3. And this is 0.5 and 15. Okay. This is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to I0 e to the power 440 upon 25 to 5 25 liter upon I0 e to the power 300 by 25 liter. Cancel out. This also cancel. So this is 150 by 5 is equal to e की power 440 25 liter upon e to the power 325 by liter. This is equal to 30 is equal to e to the power, taking it in the numerator, power becomes 440 by 25 minus 300. This is 300. This is 340. This is 340. This is 340 volts. This also 340. This is 340 volt. And this is 340 by 25 liter. 30 is equal to e to the power 100 by 25 liter. So 30 is equal to e to the power 4 upon liter. 4 upon liter. Taking log of both the side, natural log e to the base e to the power 4 upon liter is equal to 4 upon liter log e to the base e. Taking log of both the sides. So eta is equal to 4 upon log e to the base 30 is equal to 1.18. As the value of the eta is near to the 1, eta is equal to 1.18. So diode is germanium diode. डायोड का नेचर क्या होगा? जर्मेनियम डायोड. Because the diode value is near to the 1. The value of the diode is near to the 1, and if near to the 2, that time silicon diode, the nature of the diode may be silicon. Next problem, silicon diode at room temperature. Next type of problem. Next problem is find out the value of forward current find out the value of forward diode current at a room temperature of 22 degrees centigrade when the voltage across diode is 0.3 volts. Compare this value of current with a new current when temperature increases to 72 degrees centigrade. दो टेम्परेचर दिए हुए हैं. There are two temperatures, 22 and 72 degrees centigrade. So you have to calculate the value of the current, ratio of the current at two temperatures. Now, as the germanium diode, consider, if not given, consider eta is equal to 1. Germanium diode. Assume if not given, assume diode is a germanium diode. As here is not given which type of diode, but consider germanium diode. T1 is equal to 22 degrees centigrade, T2 is equal to 72 degrees centigrade, and voltage is 0.3 volt. So I1 is equal to, we can calculate the VT1. VT1 is equal to T1 upon 11,600. T1 is 22 plus 273 upon 11,600. This is equal to 295 upon 11,600 is equal to 0.025, and VT2 is equal to T2 upon 11,600. T2 is 72 plus 273 upon 11,600 is equal to, this value is 0.029 volts. So I1 is equal to I0 e की power v upon eta Vt minus 1, and I01 we can take I01 into e to the power 0.3 upon eta is 1 into 0.025 minus 1. First equation. I02 is equal to I01 into T2 minus T1 by 10. So I2 का वैल्यू I1 के टर्म्स में निकाल सकते हैं. 2 की पावर T2 is T2 value is 273 plus 72 5 4 degree Kelvin. 345 minus 295 by 10, and this value comes as I0 I01 to the power 0 10 50. So this is equal to 32 times I0. 32 0 times I2. So we can find the value of I2. I2 formula is I2 into I2 is equal to I02 into e to the power b upon eta Vt 2 minus 1. Here Vt 1. So I02 is 32 I01 I02 e to the power 0.3 upon 1 into 0.029 minus 1. Equation number 2. Divide the equation 2 by equation 1. So you will get the ratio of the currents I2 by R1. 32 I01 e to the power 1 upon 0.029 minus 1 upon I01 e to the power 0.3 upon 0.25 minus 1. I01 cancel out. And after solving, this value is I2 is equal to I2 upon I1 is equal to 1 upon 0.1693 or I1 is equal to 0.16935 I2. This is the relation or ratio of the currents.